Here's this Victor, and today I'm going to show you how to get Badlion Client for Minecraft 1.16.2. And Badlion Client is just a different way to run Minecraft that allows you to run Optifine and a lot of other add-ons or mods that you would normally have to add on individually to Minecraft, but you can run them very smoothly and well and just through one client automatically. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you want to look up Badlion Client, and it should be the top one right here. Once you're inside a Badlion Client, you're just going to want to click on Windows Download, and you're just going to keep it. It says it's bad for your PC. It's not at all. You can just open this file right here, and it's going to want to request. It will have an admin user request. You won't be able to see that on my screen, but it will be there, and you're just going to want to click continue or accept, and you just want to accept terms and conditions, agree, and then install this just to your program files by default. In a few moments, it will be able to install, and we'll be able to run Badlion Client. I'll be able to show you how to set it up. Alright, now the client's installed, and you're just going to want to have this check, run Badlion Client, and just finish. Alright, so now Badlion Client has finished downloading. You can see it here on my desktop, so I'm just going to open this up, and it'll begin to open up. From here, you're going to want to go to play up here and switch your Minecraft version to anything you want. You can click no on this notification, doesn't really matter. And you're going to want to have this check mark on Optifine, make sure it's on. You do not want the beta on. You can go into settings and configure it different ways. However, it doesn't really matter. You can change the version of Minecraft right here. And most servers like Hypixel, 1.8.9 is the best and lowest version you can use and my preferred. Some use 1.7. And if you want to do 1.16.2, you can launch it right there. You just want to click multiplayer on the left here, then just log on to a Minecraft server. You can choose any one that you want. We're on Hypixel right here because it has the most customizable options. So if I just go into, press escape and go to Badlion Client settings, I'll be able to show you some of my favorite things to turn on. And you can obviously change lots of other things here as well for more frames and just customize almost basically everything you want. So we're just gonna go back to our main animations. So you're just gonna want to have animations turned on. I like having the boss bar on, that's personal opinion. CPS on, block overlay, I like it, however you don't need that one. Obviously you want chat on. Clear glass and clear water I actually find very helpful in many different situations. Enchantment just looks cool. Full bright, always great to have, especially if you're mining. FPS counter, it's much easier to see than the default Minecraft FPS counter. As you can see, this is the Badlion one. And then I would say to turn on things like your ping. As you can see, get some good ping there. And particles, you can turn that up to whatever you want in the multiplier, justice, however much you want. And you can just go back here. Potion status, I always like having this one. This one is super useful, especially if you're, let's say, in a game of Bed Wars or Sky Wars. You need to know when your jump boost or speed or invis is running out, and it will show up here in the top left. From there, you want the scoreboard on over here, and then some other ones that are useful but not necessary, like shiny potions and timers. Those are my personal favorite Badlion Client things to have on. And you can search through all of this, and you can turn on tons of these options to help you get a better FPS, and of course use regular Optifine options over here in video settings and performance. Just turn all these on for better FPS as well, because this is ran through Optifine. And yeah, if this helped you out and worked for you, make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you.